Hello my gorgeous friend! Today I'm going to share the secret to eating the most delicious, perfectly ripe fruits. This is what I learned for being a raw vegan for 1.5 years, and it's been super fun and really helpful. Some people don't love certain fruits, but maybe it's just because they are not perfectly ripe yet. After this video, you will know exactly when to eat your fruits to enjoy them at their absolute best. And it's super easy. Let's dive in. The secret to perfect fruits is really simple. Only two things to master: smell and softness. If it has that sweet, fruity aroma, it's ready to enjoy. And when you gently press it and it feels a little soft, that means it's perfectly ripe. There are two types of fruits as well: fruits that ripen after harvesting, and fruits that doesn't ripen after harvesting. First, let's see the fruits that ripen after harvesting, and we will check by examples. Banana is the most fun and easiest fruit to check. When you master bananas, you can master any fruit. Do you eat it right after buying it at the store when it's yellow? That's not the best time yet. If you just bought it from the store, please wait until it becomes soft and has little brown spots like in this photo. It becomes easy to peel without the sound. That's the key. When a banana is perfectly ripe, it turns so creamy, so sweet, and truly heavenly. To make bananas or any fruit ripen faster, please place them in a warm spot or put them near other fruits. For apples, the scent is the key. When an apple smells fruity and sweet, that's when it's ready to eat. Pears change color from green to a softer yellow as they ripen. It feels soft when you gently press it and smells lovely. It's the perfect time to eat. These are my most favorite fruits in the world. So juicy and delicious. The key is both scent and softness. If they smell amazing and when you gently press them, they feel soft, that's when they're at their absolute best. Avocados usually don't have much of the smell, so softness is the key. Gently press it, and if it feels soft, it's perfectly creamy and always turn out delicious avocado. Next, let's check the fruits that don't ripen after picking or harvesting. These fruits can be checked mostly by color. Have you ever been strawberry or blueberry picking? That's one of the best and most fun raw vegan activities you can try. For strawberries, if the color is bright red and it smells sweet, it's ready. For blueberries, if they come off the plant easily without force, that's a great sign. Make sure the color is dark, and sometimes they have a white powder called Plum. That means they taste great. When it feels heavy for its size, that's a great sign. It's juicy. Check the color, and if the pattern is bright and clear, it's the great one too. And when you tap it and it sounds hollow, it's perfectly ready. The color should be vibrant, the fragrance sweet, and they should look plump. Sometimes they also have bloom. It's always so yummy. So gorgeous friend, please remember the smell, the softness, and sometimes the color are the keys to choosing perfectly ripe, juicy, sweet fruits every single time. What are your favorite fruits, and what's your favorite way to know they are ready to eat? Please share it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I appreciate you so much. Have a gorgeous day, my beautiful friend.